That last guy killed me. when the soldier is coming to go, he just, that's a correct English. all right. Soldier go, soldier come. Izybeat. Translate it by yourself. Soldier go, soldier come.
Soldier come. When a soldier is going, the soldier is coming.
All right, but still, person win now. I mean, we don't already get back to the person sharply. You don't already win your recharge card. You know yourself on Twitter levels. All right, but either way, by tomorrow, go drop another one for people then from Monday to answer. Soldier go, soldier come. You get what that guy we talk about? See, Barack is not going anywhere. See, as it's hard to translate pidgin English to English.
The funny enough, not technique. Just talk am small. Don't talk am the way pidgin talk out. Just talk am small. If
Barack is not going anywhere.
Soldier is going. Soldier is going.
It's that when the soldier is going and the soldier is coming, but it's a correct English. Okay, now, seriously. Yay! All right, ladies and gentlemen. My producer don't already tell us the surprise.
Oh.
The surprise for the day. The surprise for the day. They don't give you what that be.
Okay.
All right,
okay,
ladies and gentlemen. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, I don't know how I want to introduce this guy now. I don't know how I want to do the introduction proper. But Abemona help me all the way. Just enter from SA now.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, we get the guy from all the way from South Africa, but a Nigerian.
Okay.
Now, a guy they do correct things all over the world.
Okay.
Hey, our fellow Igbo brother, Flavour Nabania. Hey, Flavour.
Sawale.
Izybeat. Wait. Sit down first. Yeah. Sit down first.
Izybeat. Yeah, boss.
Wait. Now you be Flavour. We not be the Flavour what we expect be this one now. We know Flavour Nabania. You be. You know which.
Wait. No. See. Take it easy now.
Producer, now what you plan be this? I don't know which Flavour. Are you Flavour or you are ingredient?
No, I am Flavour. Yes. All the way from Enugu boy. Enugu Flavour. Yes.
If you be Flavour, what will be the real name of your you?
See me trouble. See, no vex me.
So if you be Flavour now, who be the other one who they always see who they sing up and down?
But okay, which other song you don't sing, bros?
Is this a DJ?
Now our DJ Izybeat.
Oh,
and make him sing another song now.
You don't get my song for there. Now play the music. What are you saying? No, this is my song. I write this song for myself. Jollof rice say, why you gonna do today? Nah, what are you saying? Nah, play this song. Hey, why they think about you? I'm a little chamba.
Hey, Izybeat, don't. Flav.
Nah, it's a Flavour.
Flav, no.
What's wrong with you?
Sit down first. Wait. I get something wrong for you. No, because the Flavour one we know, it get muzzle. The Flavour one we know, it hot pass like this.
Hey!
The Flavour one we know.
Nah, wait. Ogbolor. What to call yourself?
Ogbolor.
Nah, let me tell you, that boy is a scam.
Oh, the one where we know now.
That boy is a scam.
How? Why?
All the way from Enugu, where me and that boy.
Yes.
He come outside because he go carry iron. He carry iron.
Oh.
Yeah, he can grow.
Okay.
That boy is a scam. Both of us, we did Enugu
together.
Hey. In that church where we they play drum. I they play the keyboard.
Okay.
They play the drum.
They play instrumental.
Yes.
Oh.
Now very good. Instrumentalist. If I play for you, you will go away.
So now they see the dada take resemble.
He's copying.
So he copy you.
That time, Flavour not get hell.
Oh, yes,
They don't get hair.
yes.
You know?
So who called that other video where the first shoot with MC Loaf?
That was me.
Oh, now you be the original one for them.
Maybe the original. That was me.
Oh.
MC Love. May so rest in peace.
Yes, may so rest in peace.
Soul. Now that boy, we were together. Hustling and bustling. Nah.
So, but that means...
No, because I decided to enter small business.
Yes.
Do small spare part.
Okay.
Do small buying and selling.
Okay.
That's why I just chill. Next thing I look, that small boy.
Yes.
Just enter Lagos. Puam. Carry my style.
Oh.
Everything I do, my dressing, my dread, everything.
Hi.
He come Lagos, come they do pium.
Oh.
I said today, I will come to Lagos.
So even the whining waist, so now you get them.
I was a winist. Today I still a wine.
You be winist before?
I'm a winist.
Hey.
If I start the whining, it brings money.
Obi.
Look at this one. This one, sometimes, even when I'm walking, it is whining.
You waka like that?
Even if I'm walking.
So naturally they whine.
I say I am a whiny.
So why they sleep, Uncle?
If I'm sleeping,
they whine
it's
too.
the wine.
So for dream, Uncle, they whine too.
In the dream, I used to whine.
Hi.
So that boy took everything.
Everything.
I said today I will come Lagos and catch him.
So finally now you don't land Lagos
I'm
now.
here.
So which word you get for the flavor for outside?
Flavor. What will I?
Now look at this number three.
Flavor. Wherever you are, Chinedu or Koli. For those of them who don't know you, they call you flavor. Yeah, doing like this. Chinedu, if I catch you, now see, if I catch you, Chinedu, I say I have come to reclaim what is mine. Everything you carry, you took my dread, my whole dresses. The only thing where I live for you is your. You go around and be putting stuff on this.
Tattoo.
Tattoo.
You don't get tattoo.
No. Me, I'm a very well-respected young man.
Okay.
You know,
okay.
I have containers in different places.
Okay.
So I have to be respected.
Okay.
So now flavor.
Okay.
I'm coming for you.
No problem. No problem. All right, no problem. Thank you very much, Oga Flavour.
It's a flavor.
No. Sorry, sir.
Hello.
No, just
no, don't tell them. No.
Hey.
It's a flavor.
Sorry.
It is flavor. F-A-L-Z-O.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
F-A-L-V-O.
F-A-L-V-O. V-O.
Flavor.
No, that's Flavour.
Nice flavor.
F-A-L-V-O.
F-A-L-V-O. Flavor.
Hi.
What are you saying?
When they go say based on people go school, they don't go, they do the thing. They go just say,
Yes.
Any which way.
So anything for the boys.
Flavour. You still want to tax me on top? The Flavour won't know they give money.
No, I've been giving things. As I reach your front of the month, I give.
I give. You know, give me. You
no, I want to go home. I need something to put in the pocket.
My brother, now this one that made you remain the fake flavor. Now this one you remain the original flavor.
Now what are you saying?
Would they manage the fake flavor? I beg, you don't reach. Thank you very much. I can't come out. I beg. Izybeat, can I come up for this?
You will not steal my shine.
Yeah, thank you very much. Hey! Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Oh no.
Thank you. Flavor. Thank you.
Oh no.
Yes. Now, wow. So now, what's our producer plan with this, Abi? Obi Martins, God will judge you and the entire ministry behind the camera like this. All right, quickly, we'll take this funny video. By the time we come back, we'll continue with our original second guest before every continue. Flavor call, ingredients, we they call back.